I'm going to give you 2 factorization sums, and then
What is the instruction now?
I want them to factorize, and I want them to please use your blocks. Okay. So I want the factorized parts. I want my lens. I've given them the area. I want my lens.
Candice, very interesting. Candice with Liam, very interesting to me. Once we discovered this in the group, Belinda, just draw me, while they're doing the sum, just draw me another rectangular on the other side. And just write inside 12. Okay. Now that is the area. Do you agree, Candice?
Yeah.
If it's 3 and 4. Sorry, just write in the length of the two sides, 3 and 4. Okay, but I want to talk to the 12, Candice. Can you see if we go back to the purple rectangular? In fact, Belinda could have wrote that 2x squared minus x minus 15 in that square, because that is the product. This is very surface thinking, but that 2x squared minus x minus 15
minus x.
Yeah, can be written within the block, because this is where she's going. And that was a wow insight for me. I thought it was an algebraic statement, which it is, but it's also an answer of a sum. And they're now going to unpack the reverse this process to get to that sum.
I actually forgot how to do the block method.
No problem. Okay, I'm going to ask you, I'll give you a bit of a scaffold. This 2x squared, we'll put in this block.
Okay.
Hold on. Let's go one step back. Let's go back here. Okay. I want you to, okay, I'm just right. I want you to simplify x plus 3, and let's make this a 2x, I don't know, minus 4? Does it? No. No, minus 5. How does that sound?
Okay.
Okay. So, Liam, remember now the x plus 3 and the 2x minus 5, those are your side lengths of your rectangle.
Yeah.
So, because we have 2 terms in each bracket, we divide the one side into 2 rows and the other side into 2 columns. James, you could have swapped my length and my width around as well, okay? And James, if you want to, you can swap your x's and 3's around as well. But what goes on the one side must go for you to see whether I'm lying. If we call this block A, block B, block C, and block D. Okay. Jaden, how will you get block A's area?
Now go to Liam, because he was asking.
Okay.
You'll have to times 2x times x.
Times x. Good. I'm just going to put it down here. I'm going to use a multi-flow. And how are you going to get B?
B 2x times plus 3.
Okay. And C?
C is negative 5 times x.
Good. And D?
Negative 5 times 3.
Times 3. Okay. So, Liam?
Yes.
What is area A?
That is 2x to the power of 2.
2x to the power of 2. Good. And B?
B is that is 6x, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah.
I'm mistaken, I'll tell you. I just remember to pull my blocks. And C?
Negative 5x.
And D?
Negative 15.
Okay. Jared, what am I going to write in the big red block in here?
I am not sure.
Okay, so we're working out the area of a rectangle. What is the length of this rectangle?
I'm
So
also not
we're busy with this sum. What is
sure.
the length of the rectangle?
X plus 3 times 2x minus 5.
Okay, good. Okay. You with me?
Yeah.
Okay. Jared, can we do anything with the 2x squared? Does it have a friend that looks similar?
Yes, ma'am. The
Which one?
2x.
Okay. Which one? I want you just to look at this for me, Jared. We're just going to focus on this now. Okay. Is there another x squared then?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so this one we can just write as is name.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Jared, if we look at 6x, is there another x?
Yes, ma'am. Just below negative 5x, ma'am.
Okay, so Jared, 6x minus 5x is?
1 minus 1x, sorry.
1x was right.
Oh,
You must start going with your gut feeling, your first feeling there.
okay.
So let's put a plus there. Okay, and the constant value, negative 15, is there another constant value?
No, ma'am. So I put
Okay. Okay. So if I simplify that, my answer would be 2x squared plus x minus 15. Jared, you were taught EBA at school or FOIL? You were taught FOIL at school. Am I right? Okay. And if I take out this A, this B, this C, and this D, this would have been 2x squared plus 6x minus 5x minus 15. Okay, Liam, does it make sense to you?
Yes, it does.
You're,
Thank you.
you're 100% sure?
Yes.
Belinda,
Okay.
I just want to make sure that I do understand. And I think I'm now on the foil thing, so that we just link with the, what do you call it, the front end of the tapestry. So the foil thing means that you take the x and you and you multiply it with that one, and that gives you the 2x square and that one.
That's foil. That's our A.
Yeah.
This
Yeah.
is coming from.
Okay. Okay. But
Okay.
do you see, Deirdre, what she's doing now is a recipe, and she's not doing math there. Can you see? She's following a recipe that other people told her to do it in this way, but we didn't have a cooking clue why we're doing it. We're just doing it because they say we must do it. And now we have the back end of the tapestry, and we understand why it works, and therefore we can go and check it on the recipe, and it works.
Did you write it down?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Jaden, did you write it down? Okay, I want you guys to do it. I want you to use the blocks for me. I'm going to stop sharing my page now. Tell
Yeah.
me, what was the first thing that you've done in your thinking process?
So I first drew the rectangle and I put 2x on the left and -3 on the left as well.
Mm-hmm.
And then I put x on top and +6 on top.
Okay.
And then by a, I put 3x. No,
Okay, where's your
2x
3?
2.
Okay.
And then by the second block, I put 2x.
Okay, second block.